Hi guys, I'm Bharti Puri this side and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I will be reviewing my current favorite nail polishes. So I got these 8 shades from Faces Canada and I purchased them from my own money, and I've been loving the formula of these nail polishes that I really wanted to show you the shades and everything so that it would help you as well in case you are also looking for a good quality affordable nail paints. So the first shade I will be swatching for you all is Royal Ruby. It's a very beautiful red shade and this is one of my favorite shade from this particular brand. And as you can see, the brush also, I really like the quality of the brush as well. So the application process is also very smooth when you are painting your nails, and this particular color I really love it for my nails as well as my toes as well. So after that, the other shade is called Sunny Side Up. It's a yellow color. It's a very beautiful yellow color shade, and it's very difficult to find a good quality yellow shade which is not streaky. So as you can see, first application and the color payoff is really good of this particular yellow shade. And then the other one is called Silver Frost, and this one is my favorite shade, especially for the toenails. It makes the toes look very pretty, and you need just 2-3 coats of that particular shade for a good color payoff. This one is called Pink Flamenco, and this one is also very beautiful pink shade. Highly recommend this one. And as you can see, these nail paints, you will get a very shiny kind of coat, so it gives that very nice shiny look to the nails, so I really like that. And this one is called Nutty. So I feel this particular shade would be perfect for winters, for fall kind of color. So if you are someone who loves nude shades for the nails, definitely I recommend the Nutty shade. This one called Need Sunglasses is not really my favorite shade out of all the others. This one, why I don't like it, because on the bottle it looks very pretty, but it's very sheer. So even after 3-4 coats, still it looks very sheer. Then these two blue shades, they're very pretty if you're into blue shades. I am into blue nail paints. So this one called Nautical Girl is also very pretty. Whenever I wear this Nautical Girl shade, I always get compliments. So this one also, I highly recommend this particular shade called Nautical Girl. And then the other one is slightly on the darker side of blue color called Bahama Breeze, and this one is also very beautiful, slightly dark color blue, and this one also, it's very pretty. And as you can see, it gives that nice shiny look also to the nails. And then this is how it looks second coat. As you can see, very nice opaque color, good color payoff, shiny look to the nails, and I really like that. And I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and give this video a big thumbs up if you found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.